The way to identify your target clients is actually to use the buyer persona and client avatar creation. Another question right here on step number 3, when you identify your target market, where do you usually find them?
You can find your clients, sir, like through websites for people looking to hire people, sir, for
Right.
certain jobs.
Partially right. Here's the thing. When you identify your target clients, you also have to understand, first thing, where they usually hang out. Second thing is, where they do usually go if they need freelancers, if they need services from freelancers. So the most popular right now actually is the use of freelance websites or freelancing platforms. Companies like Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, onlinejobs.ph, 99 Designs, and so on. Here in the Philippines, Upwork is the top freelance platform in the market today. And among the popular also here in the Philippines is onlinejobs.ph. And also there's this what we call as free up. This is also popular here in the Philippines, but the top freelancing platform is upwork.com, but it is also one of the difficult or the hard platform to get in, because it is a platform where quality is being prioritized, particularly when it comes to projects, to clients, and the freelancers. It's not easy to join Upwork. But for you guys, participants of the e-commerce and digital marketing bootcamp, it's like an advantage for you joining this one, because you can share invite to you to join Upwork. And the good thing about this is once we send an invite to you through TechWorks Training and TechWorks Digital, the Upwork approval process is much, much faster. It's like an advantage when you join this particular bootcamp, like the e-commerce and digital marketing bootcamp. And by the way, freelancing websites is just one of the many places where you can find your clients. Some of them actually can be found on social media, like on Facebook, on LinkedIn, or on Google. So your clients may search for certain services or for certain information about their problem. And because remember that you build your website and you have that online portfolio and it is optimized because you have done SEO for that, and that means they may found you in the search. And yes, some of the clients or the potential clients, you can also find them in the search. On my case, for example, I also hang out in Quora on top of my Facebook page, on top of my LinkedIn profile, on top of my website, on top of my freelance profile in Upwork. I also hang out in Quora because this is actually where I get some clients as well. How I do get clients in Quora? I actually answer questions right there, questions that are relevant to my focus skills. Sometimes I actually don't really realize that some of the people asking questions there turns out to be my client. Diba? It's just like I am there because I want to provide value by answering questions, but eventually I'm able to collaborate with that particular client after they contacted me the moment they see the answer in Quora. So there in Quora, for example, maybe you can find my profile there. So this is it. I answers questions right there. And again, sometimes those people who found my answers valuable turned out to be my clients. So as you can see right here, how do you find them or where to find them is actually up to you based on what you will gather, based on the information that you can gather, where they usually hang out.